Hello students, hope you are doing great. I'm Dr. Suhas Manjunath. It's been a while since we looked into the details regarding the colleges participating in the APHD counseling taken up by AACCC. The last time we looked into the complete details regarding the government colleges participating in APHD counseling. We'll move on to the next set of colleges, those being the deemed universities, government aided colleges as well as private colleges taking part in the national counseling rounds. Today, we'll look into the details regarding the deemed universities. Details regarding the fee under All India quota, the seat matrix, as well as the opening and the closing ranks as per 2020 APGT counseling. Deemed universities listed under AACCC for APGT counseling are 1 from Karnataka state, 4 from Maharashtra state, and 1 from Tamil Nadu state. So we'll start with state Karnataka. The deemed university listed is KLE University, Kankanwadi Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Belagavi. This is the details regarding it. The fee under All India quota is the fees depends upon the department which is chosen. This is common to the deemed university as well as the private colleges, unlike the government colleges. The fee depends upon the department we choose. So the fees vary from 3.6 lakh to 1 lakh per year. So there is 10 PG departments, those being Agata Tantra, Dravya Guna, Swastha Vritta, Rasasastra Paishachya Kalpana, Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalya Tantra, Kaumara Vritya, Shalakya Tantra, and Rasayana Evam Vajikarna. So Rasayana Evam Vajikarna is an exclusive PG department among the deemed universities given by KLE University. So number of seats we'll see next. Under Agata Tantra, 6 seats. Under Dravya Guna, 5 seats. Under Swastha Vritta, 6 seats. Rasasastra Vaishajya Kalpana, 11 seats. Kaya Chikitsa, 5 seats. Panchakarma, 6 seats. Shalya Tantra, 6 seats. Kaumara Vritya, 6 seats. Shalakya Tantra, 6 seats. And Rasayana Evam Vajikarna, 6 seats. The fees varies like this. For Agata Tantra, Dravya Guna, Swastha Vritta as well as Rasasastra and Vaishajya Kalpana departments, the fee is 1 lakh per annum. And the departments like Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalya Tantra as well as Kaumara Vritya is 3.6 lakh per annum. Coming to the Shalakya Tantra and Rasayana Evam Vajikarna departments, the fee is 2 lakh per annum. Usually the fee gets incremented by 3% to 5% with respect to deemed universities. Coming to the opening and the closing ranks as per 2020 APHD counseling, in the first round the opening rank was 849 under general category for Rasasastra Vaishajya Kalpana, and the closing rank was 7604 for general category under the department Rasasastra Vaishajya Kalpana. Coming to the second round, the opening rank was 1123 under general category for Rasasastra and Vaishajya Kalpana, and the closing rank was 5822 under general category for Rasayana Evam Vajikarna department. Coming to the third round, the opening rank was 1110 under OBC category for Kaumara Vritya, and the closing rank was 6866 under general category for Rasayana Evam Vajikarna. This was about KLE University. Next, we'll move on to the state Maharashtra, which has got 4 deemed universities. Bharati Vidyapit Deemed University, College of Ayurveda, Pune. Dr. Y. Patil College of Ayurveda and Research Center, Pimpri. Mahatma Gandhi Ayurveda College, Hospital and Research Center, Wardha. Padma Shri D. Y. Patil College of Ayurveda and Research Institute, Navi, Mumbai. Bharati Vidyapit Deemed University College of Ayurveda, Pune, Maharashtra. The fee as well as varies from 1.5 lakh to 7 lakhs. It has got 14 departments offering PG courses. Those are Rachana Sharira, Roga Nidana, Kriya Sharira, Dravya Guna, Rasasastra Vaishajya Kalpana, Swastha Vritta, Agata Tantra, Samhita Siddhanta, Shalakya Tantra, Panchakarma, Shalya Tantra, Kaya Chikitsa, Tantra Evam Stri Roga, and Kaumara Vritya. The seats under each of this department is as follows. Rachana Sharira has got 4 seats, Roganidhana 3 seats, Kriya Sharira 4 seats, Dravyaguna 4 seats, Rasashastram Vaishajya Kalpana 4 seats, Swasthavritta 5 seats, Agata Tantra 4 seats, Samhita Siddhanta 4 seats, Shalakya Tantra 3 seats, Panchakarma 2 seats, under Shalya Tantra 3 seats, Kaya Chikitsa 4 seats, Prasutantra Evam Striroga 4 seats, and Kaumara Britya 3 seats. And the fee varies like this: 1.5 lakh per annum for Rachana Sharira, 2 lakh for Roganidhana per annum, and for the departments like Kriya Sharira, Dravyaguna, Rasasayam, Vaishajya Kalpana, Swastha Vritta, Agata Tantra, Samhita Siddhanta, Shalakya Tantra, as well as Panchakarma, the fee is 3 lakh per annum, and the fee for Shalya Tantra is 5 lakh per annum. Departments like Kachikitsa and Prasutantra Evam Stri Roga has got fee of 7.5 lakh per annum, and for Kaumara Vritya it is 4 lakh per annum. Coming to the opening and the closing ranks, in the first round, the opening rank was 1034 under general category for Prasutantra Evam Stri Roga, and the closing rank was 8786 under OBC category for Dravyaguna department. Coming to the second round, the opening rank was 1215 under general category for Shalya Tantra, and the closing rank was 9128 under OBC category for Rasasastram Vaishajya Kalpana. Coming to the third round, the opening rank was 1842 under general category for Swastha Vritta, the opening rank, and the closing rank was 8766 under OBC category for Dravyaguna. And this was about the Bharati Vidyapit deemed university. To D.Y. Patil College of Ayurveda, Pimpri, the fee varies from 4.5 lakh to 1 lakh according to the departments. It has got 14 departments offering PG, those being Samhita Siddhanta, Rachana Sharira, Kriya Sharira, Dravyaguna, Rasashastram Vaishajya Kalpana, Roganidhana, Swasthavritta, Agata Tantra, Kaya Chikitsa, Kaumara Britya, Panchakarma, Prastantra Evam Stri Roga, Shalya Tantra, as well as Shalakya Tantra. The seats under each of these departments are Samhita Siddhanta 5 seats, Rachana Sharira 5 seats, Kriya Sharira 5 seats, Dravyaguna 5 seats, Rasasram Vaishajya Kalpana 5 seats, Roganidhana 4 seats, Swasthavritta 6 seats, Agata Tantra 5 seats, Kaya Chikitsa 5 seats, Kaumara Britya 3 seats, Panchakarma 5 seats, Prastantra Evam Striroga 5 seats, Shalya Tantra 5 seats, and Shalakya Tantra 5 seats. The fee varies like this: 1.5 lakh for Samhita Siddhanta, 1.25 lakh for departments like Rachana Sharira, Kriya Sharira, Dravyaguna 1.5 lakh, Rasasam Vaishajya Kalpana 1.95 lakhs, and for like departments Roganidhana as well as Swasthavritta it is 1.95 lakh itself. For Agata Tantra it is 1.25 lakhs. For Kaya Chikitsa and Kaumara Vritya as well as Prasutantra Evam Stri Roga Shalya Tantra it is 4.5 lakhs per annum. For Panchakarma it is 3.85 lakhs as well as for Shalakya Tantra. And this is about the fees. Coming to the opening and the closing ranks. In the first round, the opening rank was 1257 under OBC category for Kaya Chikitsa, and the closing rank was 8906 under OBC category for Roganidhana. In the second round, the opening rank was 1096 under general category for Shalya Tantra, and the closing rank was 9240 under OBC category for Roganidhana. Coming to the third round, the opening rank was 1573 under general category for Samhita Siddhanta, and the closing rank was 8845 under general category for Shalakya Tantra. This was about D.Y. Patil of Patil College of Ayurveda, Pimpri. The next one is Mahatma Gandhi Ayurveda College Hospital and Research Center, Wardha. The fee varies from 1.25 lakh to 3.75 lakh. Total number of PG departments offered are 9, those being Rachana Sharira, Samhita Siddhanta, Dravyaguna, Agata Tantra, Rasashastra, Panchakarma, Kaya Chikitsa, Shalya Tantra, and Kaumara Vritya. Departments like Rachana Sharira, Samhita Siddhanta, as well as Dravyaguna, it has got 4 seats each. and departments like Agata Tantra, Rasashastra, Panchakarma, Kaya Chikitsa, Shalya Tantra as well as Kaumara Vritya, 6 seats being offered under each of these departments. The fee varies like this. For the departments Rachana Sharira, Samhita Siddhanta, Dravya Guna as well as Agata Tantra, it is 1.25 lakhs. For Rasashastra, it is 1.4 lakhs per annum. For departments like Panchakarma, Kaya Chikitsa as well as Kaumara Vritya, it is 3 lakh per annum. For the department Shalya Tantra, it is 3.75 lakh per annum. Coming to the opening and the closing ranks, in the first round, the opening rank was 2010 under general category for Shalya Tantra, and the closing rank was 9030 under OBC category for Samhita Siddhanta. In the second round, the opening rank was 2076 under OBC category for Kaya Chikitsa, and the closing rank was 8509 under OBC category for Samhita Siddhanta. Coming to the third round, the opening rank was 1834 under general category for Rachana Sharira, and the closing rank was 8456 under OBC category for Panchakarma. This was about Mahatma Gandhi Ayurveda College. Next one is Padma Shri D.Y. Patil College of Ayurveda, Navi, Mumbai. The fee is common to all of the departments, that is 5.5 lakh. Departments are 12, those being Agata Tantra, Samhita Siddhanta, Dravya Guna, Kaumar Vritya, Kaya Chikitsa, Kriya Sharira, Rachana Sharira, Rishastram, Vaishachya Kalpana, Roga Nidana, Shalya Tantra, Shalakya Tantra, as well as Swastha Vritta. The seats among each of the departments are 3 seats in each of the departments of Samhita Siddhanta, Kaumara Vritya, Kriya Sharira, Rachana Sharira, Roga Nidana, Shalya Tantra, Shalakya Tantra, and Swastha Vritta. 4 seats in departments of Agata Tantra, Dravya Guna, and Kaya Chikitsa. 9 seats under Rasashastra Vaishachya Kalpana department. The opening and the closing ranks are: in the first round, the opening rank was 4504 under OBC category for Shalya Tantra, and the closing rank was 8639 under ST category for Shalakya Tantra. In the second round, the opening rank was 2100 under general category for Swastha Vritta, and the closing rank was 9240 under OPC category for Roganitana. Coming to the third round, the opening rank was 3339 under general category for Shalya Tantra, and the closing rank was 7886 under OBC category for Shalakya Tantra. This was about Padma Shri D.Y. Patil College of Ayurveda. Those were the deemed universities in the state of Maharashtra. Coming to the state of Tamil Nadu, Sri Jayendra Saraswati Ayurveda College and Hospital, Chennai. The fee varies from 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh. The stipend given is for Rashasra Vaishajya Kalpana 4,000, and the other departments it is 5,000 per month. Number of PG departments are 5: Rashastra Evam Vaishajya Kalpana, Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalya Tantra, as well as Tantra Evam Stri Roga. All of the 5 departments have got 6 seats in each of them, and the fee varies like this. For Rashastra Evam Vaishajya Kalpana, it is 2.5 lakh per annum, and for departments like Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shalya Tantra, it is 3.6 lakh per annum, and for Department of Tantra Evam Stri Roga, it is 5 lakh per annum. Coming to the opening and the closing ranks, in the first round, no seat had got allotted for this college. In the second round, the opening rank was 3156 under general category for Shalya Tantra, and the closing rank was 8864 under SC category for Panchakarma. Coming to the third round, the opening rank was 5521 under general category for Panchakarma, and the closing rank was 5714 under general category for Shalya Tantra. This was about the deemed universities participating in the national rounds. We have seen the details regarding the fees, seat matrix, as well as the opening and the closing ranks as per the last year's APHD counseling. In the coming lectures, we'll see colleges under government aided as well as private colleges participating in the APHD counseling. Thank you.